welcome back. This is Archana here, and in today's video I'm going to show you what things I got in my TT kit. So I have this box full of amazing stuffs, so I'll just move this box aside and let you know guys what things I have got. Okay, so first thing, the art essential. So just a second. So these all are art essentials. Okay, so first thing is texture paste. So all you know that I love using stencils with this texture paste, and it really gives amazing effect on your project. And then I have white gesso, which is another art essential for just to prime your surface. And I have two gessos, one white and black. And then this one is crackle texture paste. Okay, so these are art essential, just when you are starting mixed media, so these all things are kind of necessary. And then we have this we have this art medium, a gloss one, and then matte one, and heavy gel. So these are used to stick your heavy embellishments on your project. So in mixed media we sometimes use like lighter lightweight embellishments, or sometimes we use heavyweight embellishments. So for that we need these art mediums. Okay, so let's move it aside. And then moving on, Expressions Craft have launched very amazing range of new stencil. So this is the design. I have got 6 stencils. So look how beautiful the designs are. Another one. This one is my favorite as of now. This one, and then script one. I already have used this stencil. That project might be live on my YouTube channel. I'm not sure, but in case if I haven't uploaded, I will upload that project soon. So these are the stencils which I got. These are 6 stencils. Okay, and then I have got my first love, that is chalk paints. I love chalk paints, guys. So, okay, so I got these beautiful shades of chalk paints. How much? 3, 6, 9. Okay, I got 10 shades of chalk paints. So each and every shade is unique. You can see here. I'm not going to open this. So in my upcoming videos you will see these shades. So I'm not going to open this here. Okay, so these are the shades I got. Look how amazing. I love this shade. I had this shade before, but that bottle is empty. So look at this desert grape, and this one is very dark and beautiful shade. So yeah, these chalk pen shades I have got. Okay, just okay. And next I got these Deco stones. This Imix Deco stones, like mega, micro, mini, and medium. So these are different shapes and sizes. No, sorry, not shapes. Shape is same. Sizes are different. Okay. This is very beautiful product, just to fill your empty space in your mixed media. Or sometimes it happens like, you start composition and you get confused, like how to finish these. Then you just add this deco stones and your project will look beautiful, trust me guys on this. Okay, so I got these 4 sizes of deco stones, and then I also got some metallics. Okay, just let me take it out so that I can show you. Okay, so I got these metallic paints. So some of them are metallic and some of them are shimmer metallic. So in shimmer metallic we get very nice shimmery effect, like extra shimmer it has into it. So this one is bright foliage, enchanted gold, and then mystic blue, and then yellow sage, and this one is shimmer. Okay, shimmer I have got how many shades? Okay, 5 shades of shimmer metallic paint and 2 shades of these metallics. So yellow sage and gunmetal gray, these are metallic paints, and these are shimmer metallics. Okay, and I'm very excited about the next product. Okay, before that I'll share this one. So I got this beautiful chipboards. Expressions Craft have launched really amazing range of chipboards guys, and you have to check it out on their website. And it's very affordable also, and very intricate design, and it's available in various sizes and various shapes. So first I have got okay, let me take, I hope you can see. Okay, so first one is this frame. Okay, so this one is another frame. It has very nice design. Look at this. Okay, and then another frame. So I have created one project using these frames, and that video is up on Expressions Craft YouTube channel. So just a second, I'll show you that. Okay, so this was the project. So in this I have used only frames to create this project. So this one is one frame and this one is another frame, and I have placed it on top of each other, and look how beautiful it's looking. So this video, the making process of this project is up on Expressions Craft YouTube channel, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so next, first I'll show you frames and then I'll show you another chipboard. So get this. This is really beautiful and very unique, I feel. Okay, and enough of frames. Okay, so next I have got this gears with this chain like thing. Oops, what's happening? Okay, so I just stopped the notification from Facebook. Okay, so next I got this chipboard. So in this, I'll just open it. So in these, the sentiments are like engraved, what you call, I hope that's the proper word. Focus camera. Okay, I hope you can see the, okay, yeah, you can see now. So this kind of a sentiment. So when you use dry brush technique, though, so this sentiment will just pop out. Okay, yeah. So that's that. And then, so see, this chipboard will go very nice with this. When if you're using this chipboard to create a composition, you can just include this, and it will go beautiful together. Okay, so this is like chain like things. So you can also use this with these bulbs. So I just love the idea of this chipboard bulbs, because I feel no one has it as of now here in India. So it's very beautiful. Okay, I'll talk on bulb later on. So first I'll show you this other chipboards. So look at this. This is very perfect for background, and you can also use this leftover part in your project. Okay, it's like this. And then next I have this background. Okay, so next I have this one. Wow, this one is beautiful. This will go very beautiful in vintage kind of a project, because look at these walls and the intricacy going around here. Okay, and then next I have these arrows. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel as well as Expressions Craft YouTube channel for inspiration project using these chipboards. So look at this. And then this. So likewise, same stencil I have got, I think. Yeah, look at this. Okay, so I love this wavy pattern. Okay, and now we will talk about these beautiful bulbs. Okay, I forgot to show you this one. I also got this one. It has two pieces. Look at this. It has two pieces. Focus camera. Okay, yeah. Okay, and now we'll talk about these bulbs. So I have got 4 bulb design. So look at this bulb with gear. Isn't it beautiful? So these all bulb have gears, so you can just make composition using gears as a background, and on top of that you can use these any design bulb as a focal point, and your mixed media project is ready. Add also few these deco stones, and wow, your project will be superb, guys. Okay, so this one, and then this one, and then we also have this separate bulbs. So as I said, you can use where that went. Okay, you can use these chains, and you can show hanging bulb in your project. So I hope you are getting my idea what I'm trying to say. So like this, and just show you. Just a second, I'll show you. Okay, come out. Okay, so likewise, just keep this on your project. Glue it down like this, and then take any bulb from this. Okay, let's take out this one and just add it like this. So this is how it will look. And like 1 2 3, like how many bulbs you want to add in your project, add that, and it will look fabulous. Okay, and now I'm very excited about the new launch product. So this time Expressions Craft have launched very amazing product, and I'm very excited about this one especially. These are iridescent paints. So basically the idea is okay, I have got 9 shades. So okay, this one is also same paint, but it has maybe by mistakenly they have applied this wrong label. Okay, so how many shades I have got? 3 6 9. Okay, I got 9 shades of these iridescent metallic paint. So basically the idea is when you apply these paint on lighter surface, like say on white gesso, the paint will look same like this. But if you apply this on okay, my camera is not focusing. Focus, buddy. Okay, and if you apply this on a black gesso surface, so it will turn into gold. So basically on white it will look like black, and on black gesso it will look like gold. So that's the idea behind this product, and I am very excited to try this. So in this, say on lighter surface it will be rose, but on darker surface it will be blue. Same here, like blue and pink. So every shade name is mentioned on the packaging, so you will not get confused like how it will turn out. So here say yellow and then violet, and then coral and pink, and this one it will look teal color, but on the black surface it will turn into blue. I think we should try this product here with you. Sorry, I should try this product here with you. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just prepare a quick tag using this paint. Okay, so I'm not able to find the proper surface for tag. So what I'm thinking, I'll create these two miniatures. So these are MDF coasters. So I'll turn it into a fridge magnet. So I feel that's the best idea, to use coasters. So, and I also have these beautiful molds, castings. So I'll use these. And so one I'll prepare a white one, and then another one black, and then we will apply these beautiful shades of this iridescent metallic paint. Okay, so for first thing we will just create some texture. So for that, let's use this stencil. I just love this stencil. So just take it out, and I think I can cover both the stencils, both the MDF base in one. No, I'm not able to. Okay, so we will just do it separately. Okay, first protect your base. Okay, and I apply. Okay, I'll use where it went, texture paste. Okay, Sorry for the noise. Okay, and using palette knife, just spread the texture paste onto your base first. So I'm thinking that to use two stencils, so that you will also get an idea about the design. Okay. So I'm covering entire background. Okay. Oh, look at this. Just remove the excess texture paste from side, because after drying it won't look nice. Okay. I just love the design. Look at this. Okay, so I'll just keep this aside and we'll use another stencil. Which one to use? Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Ooh, at this. Okay, I'll just wash my stencils and come back. So always remember, when you're using a stencil and texture paste or any kind of paste, always remember that you can, you have to wash your stencils immediately after use, so that the medium or whatever texture paste won't uh, stuck stick onto your stencil. Okay. I'll just wash this and come back. Okay, so this texture paste is completely dried. Okay, now I'll use these castings as a focal point here. So this will go here and this will go here. Okay, and I'm thinking, since it has very nice flourish kind of design going around, so I'm thinking to use same what do you say, same chipboard, like the chipboard which will go nice with this. So I have this chipboard design with me from this. Oops. Okay, so I'm thinking that let's see if this will look nice here. Yeah, maybe. So just cut it from here. and I'll just give it a little curl here so that it will look finished piece. Okay, so also thinking to add little amount of deco stones here and there, so let's add them as well so that it will get dried. Okay, so for that, uh, I'm thinking to go with uh, violet green, and then teal blue, then we have rose blue, and then yellow violet, and then red and gold. Okay, so this is teal blue. So basically on white surface it will be a teal color, and on white light dark surface it will be blue shade. Okay, so what to add, let's add it here as it's same. Okay, and same on this, it will be blue. Okay, and just so you can see how this color is changing on this. Okay, now let's add this red shade. So on her wings, this is red, and same shade turns into the gold. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm using this red and gold for highlighting here a little bit. So basically on white surface it will be same color as it's showing in the bottle. You can see I'm layering the colors so that I will get desired effect. I hope you guys have got an idea like how this color work and how you can use this. Now I'm liking it. First, when I have applied this color on white gesso, I somehow was not satisfied with the effect, but now it's perfect. I feel let's add a little bit of this here. I feel it's looking perfect though. I wish I could have little bit of darker shade of, you know. So I kind of like this. Okay, so hope you guys have got an idea like how you can use these absolutely stunning new range of metallic paints. Okay, then I'll just wrap this video up and I will be back. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy crafting. Bye.